Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here with me today. We're always looking for those natural ways to give our health a little boost, right? From ancient remedies to modern superfoods, the quest for wellness never ends. Well, today we're diving deep into the world of lemongrass. This aromatic plant is more than just a culinary delight. This unassuming plant, often found in Asian cuisine, is packed with a surprising number of health benefits. It's a staple in many dishes, but its uses go far beyond the kitchen. We're talking immune system support, digestion aid, anxiety relief, and so much more. Imagine a single ingredient that can help with all these aspects of your health. I've been digging into recent studies and research, and trust me, you're going to want to add lemongrass to your grocery list after this. The science behind it is truly fascinating. So, whether you enjoy a soothing cup of lemongrass tea or love the flavor it adds to your dishes, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to discover 12 proven health benefits of lemongrass that you absolutely need to know. From boosting your mood to enhancing your overall well-being, lemongrass is a powerhouse of goodness. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a lemongrass expert, ready to incorporate this amazing plant into your daily routine. First up, let's talk about your immune system. It's your body's natural defense mechanism, working tirelessly to fend off infections and keep you healthy. We all want to keep those defenses strong, especially during cold and flu season. A robust immune system can mean the difference between a mild sniffle and a full-blown illness. Lemongrass is loaded with antioxidants, which help fight off those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your cells. These antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that lemongrass can actually boost your white blood cell count, which are the frontline soldiers of your immune system. These cells are crucial for identifying and destroying pathogens. So, sipping on some lemongrass tea might be just what your body needs to stay healthy. Not only does it taste great, but it also provides a natural way to support your immune system. Incorporating lemongrass into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective step towards better health. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. If you're prone to digestive issues, lemongrass might become your new best friend. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe upset stomachs, bloating, and even diarrhea. Lemongrass contains a compound called citral, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm the digestive tract. Plus, it can help stimulate the production of digestive juices, making it easier for your body to break down food. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a whole host of health problems. The good news is that lemongrass has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like citral and limonene. Studies have shown that lemongrass extract can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and even heart disease. So, adding lemongrass to your diet might be a natural way to combat inflammation. Keeping your cholesterol levels in check is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Research suggests that lemongrass may help lower bad cholesterol, or LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, known as HDL. This balancing act is important because high LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart attack and stroke. While more research is needed, incorporating lemongrass into your diet could be a heart-healthy choice. Our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from the environment, our food, and even our own metabolic processes. Lemongrass acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess water and waste products from the body. This detoxifying effect can help cleanse your kidneys and liver, which are essential for filtering toxins from your bloodstream. So, a cup of lemongrass tea could be just what you need to give your body a refreshing internal cleanse. If you're trying to shed a few pounds, lemongrass might be a helpful addition to your weight loss journey. It's naturally low in calories and can help boost your metabolism, which is the process by which your body burns calories for energy. Lemongrass can also promote feelings of fullness, preventing overeating. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, incorporating lemongrass into a balanced diet and exercise plan could support your goals. Feeling stressed or anxious? Lemongrass has calming properties that might help ease those feelings. It contains compounds that have been shown to have a relaxing effect on the nervous system. Sipping on a warm cup of lemongrass tea before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, reach for a soothing cup of lemongrass tea. Lemongrass has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Studies have shown that lemongrass essential oil can effectively fight against certain types of bacteria and fungi. It's important to note that while these findings are promising, more research is needed to fully understand lemongrass's potential as a treatment for infections. Always consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Want to achieve that healthy glow? Lemongrass might be your secret weapon. Its astringent properties can help tighten pores and reduce excess oil production, which can contribute to breakouts. Lemongrass is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. So, incorporating lemongrass into your skincare routine or diet might just give you that radiant complexion you've been dreaming of. High blood pressure is a serious condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Lemongrass has been traditionally used to help regulate blood pressure. While more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness, some studies suggest that lemongrass may have blood pressure lowering effects. If you have concerns about your blood pressure, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper management. Lemongrass's antimicrobial properties extend to your oral health as well. It can help fight against bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease. Some people even use diluted lemongrass essential oil as a natural mouthwash. Remember to always dilute essential oils properly before use and consult with your dentist for personalized oral care advice. Suffering from aches and pains? Lemongrass might offer some relief. It contains compounds with analgesic or pain-relieving properties. Lemongrass essential oil is often used topically to soothe muscle pain and headaches. Remember to always dilute essential oils properly before topical application and consult with a healthcare professional for chronic pain management. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the origins of lemongrass to its myriad of health benefits, it's been quite the journey. From boosting your immunity to relieving pain, lemongrass truly is a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you enjoy it as a soothing tea or use it in your cooking, its versatility is unmatched. It's important to remember that while lemongrass is generally safe for consumption, some individuals may experience side effects or allergic reactions. Always start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding lemongrass to your diet or using it topically. Your health and safety come first. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the amazing world of lemongrass. I hope you found the information both enlightening and useful. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more valuable content. Until next time, stay healthy, keep exploring the wonders of nature, and remember, a little bit of knowledge can go a long way in improving your well-being. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.